Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Asana Salesforce integration for tracking customer projects, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Asana website. Log into your Asana account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, click on the Apps tab located in the sidebar. In the Apps section, search for Salesforce. Click on the Salesforce integration option that appears in the search result. You will be directed to the integration page. Review the details about how the integration functions. Next, click on the Get Started or Install button. This will redirect you to the Salesforce login page. Log into your Salesforce account. After logging in, you may be prompted to allow Asana access to your Salesforce data. Read through the permissions and click Allow to proceed. Once the integration is authorized, you will see a confirmation message. Return to your Asana account to complete the setup. In Asana, navigate to the project where you want to track customer projects. Click on the Customize option in the top right corner of the project. Look for the Salesforce integration settings in the Customization menu. Enable the integration by turning on the toggle switch. Customize any additional settings according to your preferences. Save the changes before exiting the customization menu. Now, you can start syncing your customer projects between Asana and Salesforce. Access your Salesforce account and go to a customer record. Check for the Asana section within the customer details. You should see the linked Asana projects related to this customer. That's it. You have successfully downloaded and set up the Asana Salesforce integration for tracking customer projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.